Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on angles. When two lines meet at a point, an angle is formed at that point. Describing angles. In grade or year 1, angles are described according to their shape as follows. Here we have two examples of sharp angles. Those angles are not very large, hence you have a sharp point. And that's the case here. Quite a small angle with a sharp point. That's why we call them sharp angles. Blunt angles, if you look at that angle there, that's quite large, and also this angle here is large, and hence we have a blunt point here, so that's why we call them blunt angles. Importance of lines and angles. Lines and angles are very important because many 2D shapes and 3D objects are constructed using them. Here we see a square is constructed by using lines, and the same with a rectangle. Triangles are constructed using lines. Also the cube, which is a box with square sides. You can see all the lines there. Here is a rectangular prism, and that's a box with rectangular sides, and you can see all the lines. Lines and angles in the real world. If we look at the scissors and we just pretend that each of these arms here is a line, and you can see the angles. Quite easy to see that. Look at the flag here. There are many lines on that flag, and you can see many angles being formed. The hands of a clock. Here they are here, the minute hand, the hour hand, and the second hand, and you can see the different types of angles. Here's a table. If we pretend that the four legs are lines and the edges here are lines, you can see these angles here. And the Rubik's Cube, you can see all the lines and all the angles there also. So the video has been a brief introduction into lines and how lines are used to form different shapes and objects, and also we have angles involved.